In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in El Salvador using the payment method cash. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. Then you should see country. Click country and click the search and type in El Salvador. Under El Salvador, you should see payment method. Click payment method and click cash, which is under bank transfer. So then it should show up. We found 4 Bitcoin exchanges in El Salvador that accepts cash. The companies that accepts cash in El Salvador is Local Bitcoins, Satoshi Tango, Bitcoin ATMs, and MySlam Local Trader. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Wee's Coins or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next video.